People are spending increasingly more and more time in their cars, and as driving incidents have increased, people are turning to dash cams to protect them and their family. Nonda, the leader in connected devices, has developed the newest member of its ZUS connected car system, the ZUS Smart Dash Cam. ZUS Smart Dash Cam has one of the largest lenses on the market and records crystal clear full HD footage. It boasts a 140-degree wide-angle lens, which means the ZUS Smart Dash Cam is able to capture up to 3 lanes at a time. And if you have the unfortunate experience of getting in an accident or even just a hard break, the built-in G-sensor will automatically begin the emergency recording feature. With the ZUS Smart Dash Cam, you simply download the award-winning free ZUS Smart Driving Assistant app and you are ready to go. Its unique design allows for more efficient airflow patterns to reduce the camera's internal temperature. The ZUS Smart Dash Cam was built to withstand all types of conditions and will never overheat. Just like all ZUS connected car system products, the ZUS Smart Dash Cam is designed with the highest quality materials and built to be low profile and durable. Keep you and your family safe while driving with the newest member of the ZUS connected car system, the ZUS Smart Dash Cam.